Go easy, bit of distance, just let it warm up slowly. Otherwise, if you go too fierce, that solder will just blow off. Trying to get heat around the back of it, because this is silver. There you go. Gone in there. It flooded over that side a little bit, but it went in the join, so that's alright. Have a look around it. Yeah, okay, I'll show you up close. Looks alright there. You can see it's gone down. I'm looking under it, making sure the solder's gone all the way around it. Checking at this side, but there's a bit of a blob there. That's a sign I put a bit too much solder on. Just a bit. I mean, I can clean that up, but that's a bit messy. For a charm on a charm bracelet, that's perfectly fine, but if I was making like a collet, that's like, I want it to look like that all the way around, but I've got this blob on that side. So, I'll have to clean that up. Perhaps something like that I would touch with a needle file first. If you are going to file over a join, try to only file on top of the solder. You only want the solder reduced. If you start touching the metal, you're making it thinner in patches. That's no good. So after you've filed it, a little bit of scrap paper in your hands, you could rub over it gently. It's quite nice that against your thumb, because your thumb will just push into the shape of that, so there's no danger of putting any flat spots on there. Go on then, sonny boy, clean it up. Talking about how to do it and not showing it. So I'm holding that. Got quite a fresh, quite a fine tooth square needle file. Quite easy to control because it's square. You can roll it around. You can change its angles really nicely, really easily. Try not to file over the edge any more than I really need to. Give me one of these. If you are going to use something like that on it, try to keep it moving the whole time. There's a nicely soldered, perfectly round jump ring.